because they can. Kaya nilang i-threaten yung lisensya ko.
Secondly, Mr. Chairman, the Joint Committee directed the Legal Department to study and consider filing possible disbarment case against Attorney Aviles.
And the only reason they were asking for my disbarment is dahil hindi ako nagpakita sa hearing. Pero entitled ako dun. Entitled ako to notice. Bukod pa dyan, anong ginawa ko bilang isang abogado? Kinwestiyon ko ang legalidad ng hearing na yon, which is my right as a citizen.
Because of the content of the communication that she submitted before this committee, which directly challenges our jurisdiction to conduct inquiry in aid of legislation.
Pero, isa sa usapan doon, pag-aralan natin paano natin ito padidisbar. And they said that in the safety of their parliamentary immunity. And then, Congressman Barbers also says, she's a lawyer. She should be advising her friends what to do. Talaga, tinuruan mo ba ako? Kung gusto niya lumaban, sige, pero magdidemand ako laban patas. I'll show you you show me yours, I'll show you mine.
Yes.
Labas niya sa alien mo.
Labasan. Labasan ng pera.
Gusto mo. Saka, sa kanila, meron. Sa kanila,
Kailangan yung qualified kaya kami sa 4Ps.
ipapasok tayo sa notice. Sila may hidden wealth, kami may hidden poverty. Ano ba? Unexplained poverty. Ang dami ninyong gustong kalkalin sa amin from the safety of your immunity. Wes, may limitasyon din po ang immunity ninyo.
Correct.
Parang parang yung sinasabi ninyo sa amin, kaya nyo magsalita, dito kayo magsalita sa amin ngayon. Kami, sabihin din namin yan sa inyo, Mr. Congressman, tara sa korte, doon kayo mag-explain. Nakikita natin dito may disparity, may pagkakaiba. Congressman yung kalaban namin dito. Ang isang kongresista, bukod sa bahagi siya ng isang body, ng legislature na may power of the purse, may power gumawa ng batas, may influence, may mandato, may power to cite in contempt, may power, madami niyang powers. Kami, ang sinasandalan namin ay ang aming mga karapatan sa ilalim ng saligang batas. Karapatan magsalita at magpahayag. Karapatan na magpulong-pulong. Karapatan na magpetition for redress of grievances. Garantisado ng saligang batas. Pero, may ini-endanger nila yung karapatan na yun eh. Kaming ordinaryo mamamayan, mayroon kaming sinasandalan, pero kahit yon gusto nilang salagin, gusto nilang i-corrupt. Kasi yun lang ang nakikita natin dito. Nasa kanila na lahat, may pera sila, may power sila. Kayang-kaya nila kaming i-cite in contempt. Tingnan niyo yung pambabalahura nila sa amin during the hearing. They said that because they can. Kaya nilang i-threaten yung lisensya ko. I'm the only lawyer here. And the only reason they were asking for my disbarment is dahil hindi ako nagpakita sa hearing. Pero entitled ako dun sa sarili nilang mga rules. Entitled ako to notice. Bukod pa dyan, anong ginawa ko bilang isang abogado? Kinwestiyon ko ang legalidad ng hearing na yon, which is my right as a citizen. Pero, isa sa usapan dun, pag-aralan natin paano natin ito padidisbar. And they said that in the safety of their parliamentary immunity. Bukod pa dyan, Congressman Paduano. And then, Congressman Barbers also says, she's a lawyer. She should be advising her friends what to do. Talaga, tinuruan mo pa ako? What about you, Mr. Barbers? You aren't a lawyer. Why do you presume to know what I can and cannot do? Baka gusto niyong i-look up yung ambulance chasing. But he said that because he can.
Stupid.
No matter how uninformed.
Stupid.
Thank you, Mark. No matter how uninformed, diba? No matter how out of place, no matter kung paano siya makapanira, kaya niyang sabihin yon. Ang gusto niya, kunin niya yung karapatan namin na magsalita in the same way that he does. Pwede tayo magsalita to check our government officials. Kasi nakaupo sila, by the power of our vote, nakaupo sila being paid by our taxpayers' money. Pero gusto nila limitahin yung karapatan na yon under the guise of fake news. O sige, fake news? Hindi man nila ma-define ang fake news. Aminado sila walang batas sa fake news. Aminado sila na even the